let's say you have one of the hottest TV shows in the past century, and let's say it was 8 years in the making, and the book that spawned it was written originally, started in the 90s, and has never been completed, the series. So you set out to make a TV show, and it's epic and enthralling, and shows that of all things in the world, the nerds did win. And glad to be a nerd. And you know, you got comic book movies, and you got D&D fantasies being the best-selling things of all time. And let's say you start out and you have 7 seasons of this epic, grandiose TV show that will not be named, and it's epic, enthralling stories and interwoven intrigue and brilliant writing, visuals that are beyond compare, and tons of boobs and butts. I mean, let's talk frank nudity here, and we all good with that. You reach the pinnacle of it whenever your episodic TV series is pirated over 1 billion times. The highest pirating rates of any series ever, any TV show. And let's say you make people wait 1.5 years for the final season, and they know it's going to be the final season. So you start off with a slow burn. You spend 20 minutes watching an army march in, and give some facial close-ups to be, ooh, she's in awe of something, and then he's in awe of something else. So yeah. And you have that, which is great. Yeah, okay, it's an okay episode. And after another week, you think, oh, wait, hold on. Before we get there, you only have 6 episodes for the final season. And you tout them as movie-like experiences. And the first one's 54 minutes. I'm just saying. And it's a slow burn. And not much happens except for a child screeching at the end when he's put on fire. And that's cool. You know, billions of dollars, billions of pirating, downloads, blah, blah, blah. Lots and lots of fame and fortune from this series. And it's great. It is telling a story. It's compelling. It's exciting. And the whole world knows that, ooh, everyone's watching. I mean, watch parties are off the chain for this. And you have the second episode. And you watch, and you know that the big battle is coming, and you know it is, and you're expecting whiz, bang, clash, clang, boom, lots of death and violence and great stuff. And what you get are relationships that you knew were going to happen, tiny side boob, Lewiskar, and lots of talkity talk and chitty chat and like slow burn, just lots and lots. So you think, okay, well, it's the first half. Yeah, we knew this was going to come on. First half, they're all just walking around talking. It's like a movie that was known as Before Midnight, where people are just talking and talking and talking and you know, talking and 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 talking, and ooh, someone got laid. All right, great. And then the finale, and you think the show is going to kick off, and you realize 58 minutes have gone by, and all you can see is something marching up to something and staring out, and cut to black. Now, there was another series that ended with a fade to black. It wasn't even a fade to black. It was a cut to black, and Don't Stop Believing came in, and I'm beginning to understand how some people felt when that happened, because my God, you only have 4 episodes left, and you literally spent one doing a... Y'all have a good one. Take care.